Hi guys, welcome to Tahila Graphics. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to locate fonts. Maybe you saw a design and you are wondering the name of the font the designer or whoever designed it used in designing the work. I will show you how to locate the font, and not just locating the font, but also getting to know the name of that font. Okay, so let's go. We go to your browser. Now you are going to type what is the font. Okay, so that is it, the first one. Okay, so that's where we are going to click. You click on it, and it opens. Now here, now we are going to upload the design that has the font you are looking for. So we upload here, or the URL of the image or the design here, whichever one. Okay, so we upload. Let's take this. Let's look for another one. Okay, let's take this. Now, if you watch, they grouped every font that is here. You see this? You see this? You see this? You see this? And you see this? So all the fonts that are here are grouped. Then you now choose the one you want. Okay, let's get. Then you have identify fonts. Okay, so you click on it. I'm going to identify this. see it. It has brought out the names of the fonts. We have one here. Okay. And we have another one here. Okay. And we have another one here. We have so many of them. Okay, you now choose the one you want. And you have their names also. You see. You see. Now this is, yeah. So you see all these fonts. Okay. You can download them. Okay, like the name. Let's take this name. 20th century. 20th century STD poster MD. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. Okay, and go back to my browser and say download. I'll paste it. 20th century STD poster MT and font. We want to download now. So you look for the one that is free. Okay. Just be checking to get the one that is free. Okay. Some of them will ask you, okay, look at this. You can download the file from here. Okay. You download the file from here. You just click on it and download the file. Okay. So we have downloaded it. It's downloaded. So the file is now downloaded. Okay, we go to our download file. We go to file. We go to download. And that's the so that is it. We have downloaded it. So this is how to locate fonts, even the ones you don't know the name. Once you use what is the font, okay? What is the font? You just type it and upload the flyer with the font. You can locate any font that you want. Thank you for watching.